Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make a drop-down menu in Wix Studio. First, navigate to your Wix Studio editor and add a new menu element to your page. You can find this under the Add Elements panel. Once added, choose your preferred layout, either horizontal or vertical, to best suit your site's design. Then, open the Manage Menu panel to start building your navigation structure. This initial step is crucial for setting up your site's user experience. Now let's build the hierarchy. In the Manage Menu panel, add your main navigation items. These will be your primary categories. To create a drop-down, simply drag an existing menu item slightly to the right, underneath its parent item. This action automatically designates it as a sub-item. You can repeat this process to create multiple levels of nested drop-downs, allowing for a highly organized and intuitive navigation system for your visitors. With your menu structure in place, it's time to design. Select your menu element on the canvas to open the Design panel. Here, you can customize every visual aspect, including colors, fonts, and spacing for both your main menu items and their drop-down sub-items. Experiment with different styles to match your brand. Don't forget to add engaging hover effects and subtle animations to enhance the user experience, making your menu both functional and visually appealing. Finally, it's essential to test your new drop-down menu. Enter preview mode in Wix Studio to thoroughly check its functionality. Click through all your menu items and sub-items to ensure every link works as expected, and the drop-down displays correctly on various screen sizes. Once you are completely satisfied with its appearance and performance, save your changes and publish your Wix Studio site. Your new, organized drop-down menu will then be live for all your visitors to enjoy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.